Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to show the translation button on the application of Rednote. We will go to Rednote app as you see and you will enter. Then in this page here you will find these posts. You can choose any post or any Chinese post you want here. For example, this post here as you see and you will click. Then you will scrolling down. You will find here Chinese language. You will go until you find this sign of translate and you will click. And as you see here, you will find this translation from Chinese to English language. So for this update, there is just the translation from Chinese to English and not English to Chinese. So that's all, but for the people who didn't get this translation button, you should to go to this Play Store as you see. Then you will click in this sign of search. You will search about the application of Rednote. And here, if you find updates, you will click to update your app. You should update your app if you want to show your translation button on the application of Rednote. But there is just the translation from Chinese language to English language for now. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.